Emmanuel Ojo, a quintessential gentleman, fintech specialist, astute entrepreneur, and industry captain, is the managing director and chief executive officer of Redtech Limited, one of the fastest growing payment technology firms in Africa, and indeed one of the 100 most distinguished CEOs to look up to in Nigeria in 2023.
Redtech started 2 years ago as a technology solution company. It was majorly focused to provide technology services to its captive markets, whereby we are able to provide consulting services, security services, cloud hosting services for companies within our conglomerates. But in recent time, we've seen the need to advance that focus, whereby we are now gradually pivoting into the fintech space, scaling up our digital products, because we've seen that Nigeria is a major hub in the continent, and Africa at large is going to be very, very relevant in the global economy, particularly looking at the statistics that has been growing, where we have a very growing number of youths. And looking at our industry, the growth of our fintech industry is positively affected by the demography, where as long as we have younger folks that have digital mindsets, obviously the solutions that we offer, would continue to have a high rate of adoption. So that'll be my position on that. The vision of Redtech is to be the most innovative fintech company in Africa. We're well positioned to attain this height. There's a whole lot of growth in the fintech space in general. And if we look at the strength of our staff members, people that affect the growth of our company, we have a combined experience of well over 100 years, and that goes a long way. And we believe that the diversity of our staff coming from various backgrounds in technology, in products, in sales, in business development, in data analysis, in security, we believe that we can attain this height. Yes, we're making very good progress, but we don't want to rest on our horse. So I would say that we would rate ourselves at an A grade. So we're above 80% right now. Okay, as a fintech company, we offer multiple digital payment products. We offer payment gateway that is used by merchants to sort of like digitize the process by which they collect their funds from subscribers. We also offer VAS services, that is services that cuts through the telecommunication space in terms of airtime top-up for your mobile phones. We offer these to very big clients like commercial banks and other financial institutions. We also offer notifications, automated notifications such as SMS within the VAS space as well. The SMS notification has become very imperative, as clearly driven by the regulator of the Central Bank of Nigeria, to ensure that customers or consumers can be notified based on activities going on within their accounts. For every solution we bring out, it originates from an account. It could be an electronic wallet, it could be a bank account, it could be anything. We also offer card processing service, whereby merchants are able to receive card payment options on their POS devices, or they wish to issue cards as a form of a loyalty scheme. We also have closed cards systems that we offer to schools, secondary schools, tertiary institutions, and many more solutions. We also provide bespoke solutions depending on what you want. We can do customizations for you. We offer technology solutions around networking, security, cloud hosting, and many more. We offer free consulting. We could help you evaluate your environment and see how you can improve, and like I said, that's our focus really. And that will take me to also our mission. We provide an enabling environment where we are able to provide a digital transformation for you in enhancing your quality of operations, whether you're an individual or you're a business, by enhancing your customer experience and economic growth. We've been having a very good trajectory in evaluating the performance of our transactions. So far, so good. Solutions that we release within a month, we'll usually see the spike of adoption. Now, there are two main areas by which we are connecting to the market space. There's an approach where we offer services to distribution channels. For instance, we have very leading fintech companies as well in the space. So what we do in this strategy is to provide a shared infrastructure where we can all collaborate and jointly service the market space. And there are other instances where we offer products directly to the consumers, obviously. And so far so good. This has really aided both our B2B and B2C strategy as a company. In terms of B2B, what I mean by that is that we work with corporate organizations who have need, for fintech solutions. So there are corporate organizations like commercial banks, they have direct need for fintech solution, and in some cases they are also agents of our fintech solution, meaning that they still offer those solutions to their own clients. Now we have other financial institutions, coming down to the lower cadre in terms of microfinance banks. This is an underserved segment that needs a lot of improvement. We all know that lending is their bread and butter, but they haven't been able to grow this to their expectation because of lack of digitization. So what we're doing here is providing micropayment services that can help grow this space. And then we have some other solutions for the public sector space. We've noticed the government have been adopting technology, both at state and federal level, and we are also aligning to this culture. As Redtech Limited, we are a system integrator. And what that means essentially is that the world is made up of several components of systems, whether it's internet, whether it's security, whether it's payments, right? So what we try to do is to work as a collaborator, whereby we bridge the gap between people that are in need and people that offer services as well. We help to evaluate both sectors, and then we're able to give each party what it exactly requires, by virtue of our vast experience in this space. In some cases, we build independent systems. As I say, we don't build independent, we build independent systems. But having worked with about 20 original manufacturing companies, OEMs, global OEMs, we've been able to see that it's ideal for you to embrace partnerships. While some of us build technology, some of us are able to position that technology in the way the consumer requires it to be positioned. So I would say in a single statement, I would say that Redtech is a system integrator and also a provider of cutting-edge technology and payment solutions.
Redtech Limited, welcome to our world. We are a core ICT, switching and digital transformation company with a keen focus on Africa. We provide state-of-the-art and fit-for-purpose e-payment and technology solutions for social and commercial growth. Redtech Limited. Call us now.